Well, we're still washing. We're down to this stage. Now, I don't know if this is normal for these machines, but there are periods on this dial where it will just sit for about a minute, not tumbling, after a click on the timer. And then the timer will click across again, and it'll start tumbling again. It's weird, it's strange, I've never noticed that before. But then again, I guess I never paid that much attention before when I was watching these machines before, but yeah. Should click across to rinse anytime soon. It doesn't do any interim spins until it gets to about the middle of it. I think it does at least, I don't know. I can't remember. There you go. It's across. The tumbles seem to distribute. Tumbles do seem to get up to distribute speed. It's probably just the way it's all set up. This machine is very unstable, I'm sorry. That's filling. Cool. Come back later when there's a spin.